Are you tired of receiving emails with external images that automatically load in your Gmail inbox? Well, worry no more because Gmail has introduced a new update that allows you to ask before displaying external images on your PC. Let me show you how to enable this feature in just a few simple steps. First, open gmail.com on your PC and log into your account. Next, head to the top bar and click on the gear icon located at the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to open all settings. In the Settings menu, navigate to the General section and look for the Images option. Here, you will see the option to ask before displaying external images. Click on this option to enable it. Once you have selected this option, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the Save Changes button to apply the new settings. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking you to confirm the changes. Click on OK to confirm. And that's it. You have successfully enabled the feature to ask before displaying external images in your Gmail inbox on your PC. Now, every time you receive an email with external images, Gmail will prompt you to choose whether to load them or not. With this new update, you can have more control over the images that are displayed in your emails, ensuring a safer and more secure email experience. So go ahead and give it a try today.